Today we are flying to Minnesota for a sister trip to visit Nadine's new salon. Where to go?
Oh, I guess what do you call it?
Oh, we gotta go to, I'm sure it's over by baggage claim. Let's go to baggage claim. We made it to...
Oops, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay, go. It's alright. Baggage claim is this way.
I was so tired. I got to clean my eyes closed. And they didn't put on the movie for me. And you know what happened to the movie for the guy? Come on, I didn't have right away.
It is so late here. We're literally the only three in the airport, plus the workers. Oh, there's still some people here. Look at Vina and Mrs. Davis so much. She's already...
Oh, look at you made it onto the vlog.
She was so scared. She goes, I hope it's not failing. I go, no, it's not failing. Vina, come and do this. And my nails can't open it. Okay, I'm not talking. Wait, who's there? Nadine, guys. Hey, who's this?
Oh, Vina, I'm wearing your...
That's not that.
Look at the sunlight. It's so pretty.
That is when you go to our house.
This is where my gym is at, you guys.
Snappy?
No, Planet Fitness.
Planet Fitness. You tried all those?
If phone opens, you can.
I don't know where
I've never even tried those.
It's good. I like the mango one. We are at Nadine's shop, Ncig Cosmetics. Look how lush and green everything is. Nadine, we are so proud of you starting your own business, and I know Dad is super proud of you.
Right. We didn't meet her yesterday. Yeah. So these are just the employees. So what is Anna, your receptionist?
No, she's gonna be stationed there with Tina.
This is Ncig Cosmetics Company in Cottage Grove, Minnesota. They currently offer lash extension and permanent makeup, but eventually they will go on to nails and body art. at Nadine's house again, and we are enjoying the rain. Look at into Nadine's front yard. Look at the steep stairs. And there's a lot of squirrels. In this tree, there's a squirrel in there right now. Then he comes and eat the strawberry here.
He started here. And then when we put the new mulch in, we found something different. I was yelling.
Oh, Nadine, this came out really nice though.
Did it?
I like it.
It's not straight.
It's okay. It looks pretty straight to me. And it keeps the mulch in, right?
Yeah.
You should plant some flowers here.
Wait, right here?
Yeah.
This is actually grass. But you know how I was digging and doing this?
Yeah, and you do on it, right?
I want the alum pong on top of it.
Oh.
So I was like, oh, I'll give it like a few years.
No, those are not deal.
These right here?
No.
They look like deal to me.
They I think those are no,
No,
those are flowers. I forgot the name.
Look, I was just
We're waiting for Nadine, and we're gonna head out to the Hmong village.
Okay. Do you want anything?
Why is her head so small?
It's pretty cool.
I think it's for a baby. I'm gonna get this pineapple apple pen for Shirley. Yeah, I thought we were.
we're gonna go around the other side.
Okay. Look, she had a much. She said that always on Facebook like support, huh? We're back at Nadine's house now, and we're gonna go for a walk around the neighborhood. Which way are we going? Oh. High school. This is where all your cousins go to high school. We go walking. Just looking at the neighborhood.
Do you see that stone?
Look how bushy Minnesota is.
Do we have what? Yeah, it's oh my god. Milkweed is what the monarch was like. Okay, no, I don't know. Yeah, it looks like there's so much.
We were trying to do a TikTok video for Nadine's shop, but it didn't happen. So we parked here in this parking lot, and then we were shuttled by the school buses to where the festival was held. Oh my god, so many sand in my shoes. Do you have sand in your shoes? It's keep going in my shoes.
I put lotion on my ankle and my ankle hit that, and then I was like, where's your ankle?
Where's my foot this morning with my lotion?
It's so steep.
I just gotta let it go now because I have nothing more on. It was hot here.
Yeah. And we should have got the Hmong umbrellas yesterday, Vina.
Oh yeah, we should have. Now we're gonna die.
Yeah. Your waist? Oh yeah, that's cute, huh? Lush, Minnesota. Here, Shirley. We thought it was so cool that this boba and tea shop has our last name.
How me do that?
90 degrees, like back up?
Yeah, like that one.
That's because they have that test here.
Yeah. Don't tell me at 90 degrees. Car, don't tell me.
And these all let me come during the week when people are like at work.
Oh yeah.
We don't like chocolate.
We hung out in Nadine's baby cave for the rest of the day, laughing and bickering like all sisters do. Rena's gonna stay here.